children, what letter is this? This is letter A. This is letter A. Say a a a. A phonic sound is a a a. A for what is that? Apple. A for say everyone. Apple. A for ant. A for aeroplane. So what it is that? A. What it is that? A. What it is that, ma? என்ன லெட்டர் இது? A. குழல் say A. சொல்லுங்க. A. A. A for what is this? A for apple சொல்லுங்க. A for apple. Say louder. Apple. A for what is that? Apple. Apple. Very good. A for apple. Apple.